These marinated mushrooms are very tasty with any food combination, best suitable for salads and pizza toppings. If you are a mushroom lover, you can eat them directly. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika Recipes. Today's special marinated mushrooms. These mushrooms best suitable for pizza toppings and salads. They just taste delicious. Take handful of coriander leaves and cut them into small pieces. If you want, you can increase the quantity a little bit. Chop this coriander as fine as possible. Drop it in a bowl. Take 2 green chillies and chop finely. How fine you will cut, that much flavor it will add. Drop this into the same bowl. Now take 8 to 10 garlic cloves. I've peeled the skin of the garlic and using. Same like chilies, cut garlic also as fine as possible. Add it to the same bowl. To this, add 3 tablespoons of oil, one tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix well and set this marinade aside. Now we will boil the mushrooms. For this, take 1 liter of water in a bowl and start to boil. While water boiling, add 3 bay leaves, 40 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 4 pieces of black pepper and 4 pieces of tail black pepper. Give it a mix and add 500 grams of washed mushrooms to the boiling water. Close the lid and let it boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out the mushrooms and place them in a separate bowl. Now add the marinade which we prepared at first. Mix well marinade and mushrooms. Now pour the same water which we boiled the mushrooms. Pour just to cover the mushrooms. Don't pour all of the water. Mix well and cover with a lid. Set this aside for cool down. When it cools down, put it in the fridge for 24 hours without disturbing. After 24 hours, our mushrooms are ready to serve. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.